Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove emoji from photo using Snapseed application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up Snapseed application, this one, and then we can tap on this plus icon, or we can tap anywhere to open a photo. And I'm just going to click this plus icon, and you can choose a photo from your gallery or your device that you want to remove emoji from. And for instance, I'm going to remove this emoji from my photo. Okay, to remove this emoji guys, we're going to use one of the tools in this Snapseed. So we can go to the tools menu, and then we can choose the healing tool. And actually this healing tool is for removing like blemishes from our face, but we can use it guys to remove an object from our photo. And I'm going to use it to remove this emoji. So we can draw on the emoji like this, or we can select the emoji area. Okay, and now as you can see that the emoji has been removed from my photo, and we can click on the check mark. Okay, and then you can continue the editing, or you can save this photo. If you want to save it, click on export, and then you can click on save. Okay, and then I'm going to try to apply the healing tool to another photo. I'm going to create a new project. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove emoji from this photo. And I know guys that this trick will not work for all types of photo, especially when the emoji is on the face. It will be difficult to remove the emoji. And I'm going to try to remove the emoji from this photo. So I'm going to go to the tools, and then we can choose healing, and then I'm going to select the emoji like this. Okay, yeah, it's still good, but not that good as before, right? Okay, and then once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and then you can click on export to save the result to your gallery or your device. Okay, I'm just going to save it again. Right, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from our photo using Snapseed application on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.